Welcome everyone to Poppy's Plonkers.
It's been like 50 billion years.
50 billion. For everyone that's new to the channel, sometimes Poppy and I, we do a bit of a Poppy's Plonkers. It's a bit of a less serious one than the usuals. But we are demonstrating that if we engage with our young people very, very early, if you have kids, grandkids that you regularly drive about, grandkids, you can bring them up with good knowledge and good attitudes towards the road, can't we, Poppy?
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. Now, you may have noticed that Poppy and I are both now wearing glasses. So I went for an eye test recently, and this is just now what I will be wearing to drive. It benefits me, gives me HD vision. And Poppy, you're the same, aren't you, when you drive?
I haven't tried yet.
One day, eh? One day. It does raise the question, what do you think, Poppy? At the moment, they're bringing in rules so that over 70-year-olds have to get eye tests. Do you think people that are younger should have to as well? 100%. I'm with you, Queen. I'm with you. Now, I saw a crash the other day, you know?
Did you?
I did. So someone had pulled, I passed some police vehicles on blue lights, and then unfortunately someone had pulled forward, perhaps not observed early, or suddenly braked, and the person behind, went into the back of them. Now, we're going to do a bit of work, Poppy Simpkins, to make sure that you and I never have that sort of experience, okay? So can you tell me, in the highway code, it's page 120, can you tell me what a green traffic light means? Can you read it?
Green means you may go on if the way is clear. Take special care if you
Intend
to turn left or right and give way to pedestrians.
People.
Just people. Yeah. People who are crossing.
You got it, Queen. So would you say when you get a green light, you should just go, or should you be checking still that it's actually clear?
You're checking on it.
Absolutely. Now we're going to do some work
Yellow car.
Oh, you got me! There is a yellow car.
Over there.
We're going to do some work in a minute.
This is where my school is.
It is where your school is. Don't tell everyone. You'll have everyone at the school gates flocking for your autograph.
That would be lovely.
Right, Poppy Simpkins. So your goal is, as we go through green lights, I want you to be pointing to where we need to be checking to make sure it's actually clear. Happy with that? Okay. So at this set of traffic lights, we're going to go right. Okay. So I'm going to get into the right-hand lane. And my one's red. Can you see that?
Yeah.
But it's going to go green very shortly because there's no one opposite me.
Red means that stop.
Yeah, now it's going green. Where do I need to check?
This way.
Good, definitely in there. Should I check ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
You never know, I come along.
It could, so do you think car drivers sometimes jump red lights?
Yeah.
You're absolutely right. And do police cars and ambulances, if they're on a blue light call, do they stop at red lights always?
They have the right to go.
They kind of do. So they treat red lights as a give way, which means
So
they could
basically,
still come through.
They could stop on a red light. That would be like safe.
Mm-hmm.
Orange light is when they probably could go. And green light is, yes!
We'll refresh your traffic lights in due course. Right, Poppy Simpkins, we're coming up to a red light.
Yeah.
When it goes green, remember green means you may go if the way is clear. So we need to check that it's clear. Which side are we going to check first?
Right.
Good. Can you check for me? Is anyone coming through the red light?
No.
What about that way?
No.
Good. Was there any ambulances?
I don't know, actually.
What do you mean you don't know? You were looking. Blue lights?
No, there wasn't.
You'd see them, wouldn't you? All you're doing is you're actually making sure that everyone has stopped on a red light, and you're making sure there's no blue light vehicles that are coming through the red light. Happy with that? So, Poppy Simpkins, we're coming up to another light. Can you see the way the traffic's moving?
Yeah.
So when we go through this one, where will we need to check first to make sure that there's no...
Right.
Yeah, can you see they're on our side, aren't they? Or closest to us. So they would hit us
Why does
first,
that
wouldn't
car
they?
say clean on
It does. Can you check for us, Pops? Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Is it clear?
Yes, it is.
Good girl. Well done. So, Poppy Simpkins, the takeaway from today. What sort of vehicles could be coming through a red light, Poppy Simpkins?
Vans.
Vans. They could, you. I mean, you can.
People.
By the way, the white van men are suddenly singled out. What type of vehicles with big flashing blue light sirens could be coming through the traffic light while it's red, Poppy?
Cops and like, well, not cops.
Yeah, cops. Police. The Rozzers.
The filth.
Poppy. You're absolutely right. So, are you happy with that? So you would, when you learn to drive, you will never go through a green light without actually checking, will you?
No.
Good.
No.
Good, Poppy. Right, we are going to park up and turn all the cameras off.
Bye, Felicia.
Whoever Felicia is. I hear about Felicia all the time. It's been an absolute pleasure to be back here with you in the hot seat, Poppy.
It's really nice and warm.
It is, isn't it?
Bye, people.
Bye.